guys, welcome back to Briar Society. Today I'm going to show you how to make these confetti cones for your wedding out of paper. So you need to grab your piece of A4 paper or whatever you're using, and first of all we're going to make this half the size because you only actually need sort of an A5 size for each confetti cone. Once you've cut your paper down to size, however you chose to do that, you're going to just start with the one piece of paper. And if you're going to decorate your design, now is the time to do that. So I'm very simply going to use a rubber stamp to put a little design in the top corner here. To fold your cone, if you put that top corner over on the top left, pick up the top right and the bottom left. You're now going to bring this top right towards the middle as you twist under to try and create a point on this end. So just twist a little bit and finagle until you get a nice natural point on this right hand side. Once you've done that, just come to the point end and you're going to nip it and twist it to try and lock it into place, so it should hold itself without any tape or extra securings. But of course, if it does come apart a little bit, you can just add a little bit of Pritt stick in the flap. So I've nipped it. I'm now just going to twist, like fold the end up just to really lock it in, like so. And there you have it.